I love you all. And then the bottom will be right there. To make cassava fufu, is it's not taking more than 5 minutes. It's very easy. Very easy. Whew, you need a lot of energy. Sometimes when I'm making fufu for a lot of people, I don't use one hand, I use two hands. I sit down to mix it, but this one was just 3 cups for just 3 of us. It doesn't need me to sit down. Use two hands, but it takes me a lot of energy too. Boom. For 3 people, we'll eat it. So that's a lot. That's a lot of fufu. So I did a great job. So I will show you what is next, what we're gonna, when I already put in the plate also cassava leaves, you can see it. We go to eat. Okay, finally right here. Let's see, cassava leaves. That's right here with beef. You saw how I made it. You can make it for your family. And also here is the fufu, cassava fufu.
Chantal, Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family. Chantal, Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family. Chantal, Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family. Chantal, Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family.
As what I was going to mention, so the fufu I'll cook is gonna be these 3 cups of the fufu. I'm going to make it. I will show you how I'm gonna do it. So since we are the 3 people, they say 3 people. When we're eating fufu, we're eating fufu. So it's gonna be 3 people who are gonna eat fufu in this house. That's why we're gonna use these 3 cups. So it's gonna be my daughter and myself and my husband. So others, they don't like fufu. So I mean, it's just gonna be us. Actually, the fufu I'm going to make it called ikinazi. Kinazi is from Rwanda. That's the fufu. That's cassava fufu. But you can make any fufu though. You can make any fufu. Any fufu you will find it. Any cassava fufu you find it. Good one. Go ahead and make it. No problem. So as long as it's fufu. So whatever I'm going to show you, you could use to make any kind of fufu. So that's my fufu. We have a wonderful fufu. So I'm so exciting. Yeah, so it has been a while. And then so first actually I boil water here before I put them in the pot. So if you don't have the something like this where you could boil your water from, that's okay. You can boil on a stove. It's easy. So I already put 3.5 cup of here. And then the wire put the half. I told you guys I'll use 3 cups. Can I have that cup? That's the one that showed them. Actually, that's the mug. That's the mug. 3 of them water here. So, but I put 3.5 to making sure I will have the one on the side in case is the getting so thick. Yes. Okay, so I will show you how I'm gonna put in the pots, and then I'm gonna start starting fufu as well. I just have to boil here first. Hey, voila! Yay! My water is ready. So I'm going to start putting it pot, and you can make fufu. See it? It's ready, ready. Boom! It's ready. So we go to put in the pot right now. So we're gonna put in the pot. And make sure I left. So I'll put this one in the pot. I left some here. You can see right here. I'll put it back there in case I need to boil again. I can add it when it started to become thick, but I'm sure this one is gonna be enough. See right now, I just finished to put in the pot. I'm waiting here also to boil. If you don't have the boiling things, that's okay. You can boil here on the stove and then wait until it finish to boil. So that's what we do back home. It's just like right now we have something where we're gonna boil in it, so we just do like that. So right now actually it's almost boil here on the stove. Since I put there is already boiling, here it just take a few seconds. Boom, now it's ready. So I'm going to start putting fufu in it. I will use this. I'll use this one. This is thick. A core in our culture umuko, but but in American, I mean in English, I don't know how I'm gonna call this one. But what I buy this is in a Chinese store. You can find there, or any store that's selling more African stuff or Chinese stuff. So actually, both of us we use kind of this stick. So that's what it help you to make fufu. And also, it is some of also some small stick they're selling in the store, but that one is not. You cannot make fufu with that one. So big one is good. It's right here. In our language, we call it umuko. In English, I don't know. So right now you can see fufu is 3 cups. Oops, I started spitting on the side. I think my I think it's gonna fit. I hope this part is not too small. So actually to make fufu, I'm making sure I put in a medium when I'm making it. To make cassava fufu, it's not taking more than 5 minutes. It's very easy. Very easy. You see it? You just mix like this, keep it mixed like this. Yes. Okay, so and then now you start it mix like that. Like that. Like this. I'm not sure if you see very well, but that's how you making fufu, making sure all of it's already mixed very well and it become dough. Actually, it looks like that water I put on the side. I'm not gonna need it. Whew. It's a lot, but see, you see, starting 4 on the side. I hate it when it's done that. Okay, so gonna be ready in maybe in 2 minutes. It'll be ready. See it? Oh, looks so delicious. Whew, it needs a lot of energy. Sometimes when I'm making fufu for a lot of people, I don't use one hand. I use 2 hands. I sit down to mix it, but this one was just 3 cups for just 3 of us. It doesn't need me to sit down. Use 2 hands, but it takes me a lot of energy too. Okay, so now actually our fufu is ready. It's not taking more than how many minutes so far we're making it? How many minutes, babe? You can see the minute. How many minutes? See, 3 minutes. He says 3 minutes. It's not take long time. And then now it's ready. See, and it's already it mixed very well. It doesn't take a lot of minutes, but it takes a lot of energy to mix it. See, now it's already become good dough. So we done. Let me grab a plate. I'll show you what is the next. Got it. Come, let me bring plate. Hold on a second, I'm coming. Let me. Okay, here, babe. Boom. For 3 people, we'll eat it. So that's a lot. That's a lot of fufu. So I did a great job. So I will show you what is next. What we're gonna. When I already put in the plate, also cassava leaves. You can see it. We go to eat. Okay, that's fufu. Ooh, did you see? It looks great. It looks great. And so I'm going to get in my cassava leaves next to it. I just want to show you how that fufu look like. Looks so delicious. Okay, finally right here. Let's see, cassava leaves. That's right here with beef. You saw how I made it. You can make it for your family. And also here is the fufu, cassava fufu. And it's something I'm gonna drink it. Yeah. How is it? So we go to eat. Bon appetit. Hakiza family. So this is fufu for 3 people. Yeah. Okay, so you guys already watched how I did. I did a great job. Please, please, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also comment, like the video, share it with your friends. I will be really, really, really appreciate it. I love you all. And in the bottom there, I think is next to where if you go online of where you're gonna you have to subscribe, and that to it or beside to it, I'm not sure very well. There's somewhere you can give the gift. You could give it thanks. They have a different price that you could give. It's from the I think 99 cents. It goes up. And also I really appreciate it for your gift. If you like my video and is useful for you, come on, to give me the gift. There's nothing you'll be missed. I love you all. Chantal Hakiza. Bye bye.
Chantal Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family. Chantal Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family. Chantal Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family. Chantal Hakiza TV, a great TV for the happy family.